Hey everyone, this is Snoop Dogg and today I'm going to share with you 5 ways to earn money with Canva. Number 1, sell your designs on print-on-demand platforms. Did you know that you can create your own designs on Canva and sell them on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Society6? These platforms handle everything from printing to shipping. So all you have to do is create your designs and upload them. Number 2, create custom designs for clients. If you're a graphic designer or just have an eye for design, you can offer your services to clients who need custom graphics. You can create logos, business cards, social media graphics, and more. Advertise your services on social media or freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Number 3, create and sell templates. Another way to make money with Canva is to create templates for others to use. Whether it's social media templates, Zoom templates, or presentation templates, there's a huge market for pre-made designs. You can sell your templates on websites like Etsy or Creative Market. Number 4, teach Canva courses. Are you an expert in Canva? Share your knowledge and teach others how to use the tool. You can create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. You can also offer one-on-one coaching sessions to clients who want to improve their design skills. Number 5, create and sell ebooks. Finally, you can use Canva to create and sell ebooks. Whether it's a recipe book, a travel guide, or a how to guide, Canva makes it easy to design an eye-catching cover and interior pages. You can then sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon or your own website. So there you have it, 5 ways to earn money with Canva. With a little creativity